Good afternoon, everybody. Well, afternoon for me. I have no idea what time it might be in other places of the world, but I did see my Lily here a little bit earlier, showing signs of wanting to come out. Of course, I have Big Boy over there, if you can sort of see him hanging, saying the same sort of thing to me. Please, Mum, can I come on out today? And he can. It just means that I have to keep my eye on both him and Lily at the same time at the moment, because as I will have mentioned, Jack is very much in love with Lily. Of course, I don't blame him. She's a beautiful girl. But Lily has been pretty quiet for a few days again on me. She had a feed. She only ate a few mice the other night, but they were extra large actually, but I was quite surprised she only ate a few of them. And of course, like I said, Maya got or actually it was Sia who got the extra bonus of it. Sorry, Lily. Am I disturbed? I know, I've just been disturbing you today. I've opened her door up a few times to speak to her to say, are you actually going to venture on out today? You've been rather lazy, so she might be a little bit like, just leave me alone. It's like, this is the fourth time you've been kind of in my face, but not. Asking me that same boring question about whether I'm coming out. And I should know, she'll come out when she's ready. That's the end of the story with Lily. And of course, Jack, well, he just wants out any old dang time at the moment. He is at the door a couple of times a day. I've just been outside with one of the snakes, so that was lovely to actually get out there and enjoy the sunshine, because our weather is amazing at the moment. And while she decides to take her time, well, you're not kind of like actually even talking to me, Lily, are you? Hey? No, you're just looking at me. I'll go and get Jack out. That'll make you move, won't it? I'm sure it will make Lily move. And, oh, hang on, I've got a stopper in there. Just only because these doors don't meet. So if I put a stopper in, sort of pushes it straight up there. I'm still stuck. Is that because your buffy body's there? No, I'm just not got enough strength, have I, dude? Coming out? Today? Well, need I ask, is he coming out today? He's been at the door for 5 minutes, I guess. I've been sort of moving videos across from my camera to my computer, so I didn't have the SIM card in. So I couldn't very well grab the camera and do anything at that point. Lily's still just sitting there. Maybe she's thinking, is that guy out, Mum? What are you doing? She hasn't moved. Not a muscle. No, and there's... Oh, you telling me? Well, how come that big bright light isn't on? Well, thanks, Lily, for reminding me to put the light on, because that might make filming a little bit better today inside. I could take them outside. It's still reasonably sort of warm at the moment, but I don't know if Lily's going to come all the way out. You know, all the signals were there. I'll come out. But Jack has been pestering her a little bit. Not a lot, because I don't let him a lot. But, okay, I'm just moving you over here, dude. Alright? Oh, Lily. Are you for real? Are you really for real that you're not going to come out after all that? At the door, well, she was, and then she sort of turned herself around and went into a hide and put her head behind the box there. But prior to that, she was sort of at the door. But it's you, isn't it, at the moment, Jack, that's wanting all the out time? Hey, you're in search of a mate. That's the end of the story. And if I don't close Lily's door, Jack will join her in there. There is, yeah, no ifs and buts, but he will come in there. And she's looking at me like, don't close the door. But I am, unless you want a visitor. And Jack will come in there with you, I assure you, Lily. Some days, I tell you, you don't know. You just don't know. You know, well, she did want out, but she's obviously changed her mind, and that is a woman's prerogative, as we know, to do so. So, Jack, you're not going to have the company of Lily this afternoon, and I know that you would truly enjoy it, but I can't get her to budge at the moment. So he's all on his own. Though Jack will still have a good time, I am sure. No, you can't go up on the computer desk either. That's you up there on the computer, mister. Hey, you get the priority of having your picture on the computer. So, there you go. Lily didn't want to come out. Jack did. So did Lily. For a minute. But, yeah, she just does not really want to. So, I can't even sweet talk her. Are you going to come out? Would you like to come out today? Would you like to come out and say hello? I'm going to just put my hand out. Well, it's just my hand. It's not food. Maybe 3 mice weren't enough. Hey? And you did need that 4th. I don't know. And where's this dude going? You know, not too far. He's just tasting, as Jack does. Lil, are you not going to come out today? Oh, hey, you're not coming out. She's determined not to come out, guys. That's a no way. That's a definite. It's a no. I'm going to go back and hide in the corner, Mum. So, maybe later. That's a signal, guys. A signal when they're at their door, which is where she was. And now that's a signal of, no, I'm not coming out. So you can just leave me be. Hey. Just, no. Very unusual. But Lil. But at this time of the year, breeding season, everything's a little bit unusual. Everything changes. You know, Jack, who is so lazy, such a lazy boy. In winter, I can't, in breeding season, I can't slow him down. You know, he's continually wanting to come on out. You know, when it's not breeding season, I'm literally begging him to come out. So, that's life with snakes. when you've got males and females in your home, you will notice your males are so much more active and at that front, letting you know, I want to come on out. And that is generally why it is when they start pacing, and you can see them being very not agitated, but certainly letting you know that they want out because they want to find a mate. So if you notice your males becoming more active, check the time of the year, and most of us know what time of the year it is for breeding season with our snakes. So guys, take care of yourself and your family, all your snakes, friends, and all your animals. Ciao.